Platform 1 for the 0518 Waterline, service to Greenslade. Calling at Benton, Port Benton, Morganstown Docks, Whitney Green and Greenslade. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Welcome on board this waterline service to Greenslade. The next station is Benton. Benton is Central, commonly Estfield, Leighton City, St Helens Bridge, Stepford Central,
Port Benton
and Airport
Morganstown
Terminal
Docks,
2.
Whitney Green
Please mind gap the
and
train and the
Greenslade.
platform.
This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 1 for the 0524 Waterline, service to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at Cambridge Street Parkway, Airport West and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 3 for the 0526 Waterline, service to Newry. Calling at West Benton, Faraday Road, Eden Quay and Newry. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 7 for the 0526 Stepford Express, service to Leighton City. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road and Leighton City. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Welcome on board this waterline service to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at Cambridge Street Parkway, Airport West, and Airport Terminal 2. We will shortly be arriving at Cambridge Street Parkway. Change here for services to Connolly. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Airport West and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
This is Cambridge Street Parkway. This train is for Airport Terminal 2. The next station is Airport West.